had my mate Dave Kissell give me a call, taking out his boat Ultimate Sport. Well, how's it going, guys? Back again. I've had my mate Dave Kissell give me a call, and you might remember him from other previous videos. Told me he's taken out his boat, the Ultimate Sport, which is the grey boat with the twin 2.4s on the back, I think they are. Look forward to burning some beautiful two-stroke this morning. There's already some other guys from the Gold Coast ski boat crew that have rocked up in their boats, so I'll be sure to do my best to bring you as much cool footage as I can, as always. Once again, thanks for coming along. If you're new, welcome to the family. Stick around. So Dave, you want to give us a rundown on the rig? Tell us the details.
Got two 2.4 carving.
Yeah, so you were saying you had Chatfield rods, been beefed up and made reliable.
Yeah.
You've got what, twin CLEs? What props you running?
They're 29.
29 choppers, and you've got the twin 15-inch mid offshore exhaust.
Yes.
It looks beautiful with the Euro cowls on it as well.
It's a good boat. Drives really well, heaps of power.
Everyone always commends the attention to detail that's got into this boat when everybody sees it. Like, yeah, it's really tied together. The trim tabs, the motors, the colour, even the trailer.
Yeah.
And even when we were out there and having a few squirts, not really sure on what speeds we were doing, but it handles really well. It just carves up the Broadwater chop. No one really knows, or it is a part of the social scene on the Gold Coast, or we'll inform you now, but Dave's purchased Victory Cat, which is Shifty Cat, which is going to enter into the offshore race boat season for 2024. We look forward to seeing that on the water, but we'll leave you to it, and thanks for sticking around. Cheers, Dave.
Yeah, you've got a bit of water now, David.
nothing sweeter than the sound of that.
Mate, all you got to do is duck your head down like a headlight and the wind pops it, so you can't even hear it.
Steering wheel snapped in a boat and it's lost control, and we have a passenger that has a deep laceration to her leg. Yeah, this is terrible. Old twin life.
But once it's the thing to start.
No, tilt it back down a bit, mate. Down.
Flooding that bottom carb, is it?
You've got fuel pissing out of the
Yeah, probably turn the pump off and try and start it without the pump.
We'll just say that you run out of fuel. I think we fired up a few plugs in one motor, so we've just got to get back to some boys where we can get a spark plug socket and clean the plugs, I think, and we'll be right. Just needed a pull start by the Yemi. here we are, the end of another Sunday. I have an unblemished record of 100% of always guaranteeing you an adventure when I'm on the water. Hopefully Dan and his missus were alright after that accident, and I'll keep in touch with you.